Welcome back, viewers. Today we are going to dive into the world of elegant and classy dining table decor. Whether you are hosting a special dinner party or simply want to create a sophisticated atmosphere for your everyday meal, we have got you covered. In this video, we will explore some stunning ideas to transform your dining table into a true work of art. So let's get started. Our journey begins with the foundation of any beautiful dining table setup, the linens. Choosing the right tablecloth or table runner can instantly elevate the ambiance. For a classic and timeless look, opt for crisp white linens that exude elegance. If you want to add a touch of luxury, consider using a fine embroidered tablecloth or a laced runner. These delicate details can make a huge difference and create a refined atmosphere. Now that we have our linings in place, it's time to focus on the centerpiece. The centerpiece serves as the focal point of your dining table, so let's make it count. One idea is to use uh, a tall, slender vase filled with fresh flowers. Choose blooms that match your color scheme and arrangement style, such as elegant roses or delicate orchids. Alternatively, a beautifully arranged assortment of candles and bring warmth and sophistication to your table. Play around with different heights and size to create a visually pleasing display. Next up, let's talk about the dinnerware. The plate, bowls, and glassware that will hold your culinary creations. Opt for fine china or porcelain plates with intricate designs or a simple, minimalist aesthetic for a more modern touch. Complement them with crystal glassware, which adds sparkle and a touch of luxury to the table. Remember, the key is to maintain a cohesive theme throughout your table decor. So now let's not forget about the humble napkin. Folding your napkin in an interesting and artistic way, you can make a huge difference in the overall presentation. One popular technique is the classic diamond fold. Start by folding the napkin in half diagonally, forming a triangle. Then fold the two corners towards the center and tuck the remaining portion underneath. These folds create a stylish and polished look. You can also experiment with the more intricate napkins fold like the fan or rose fold to impress your guests. Our dining table decor would not be complete without considering the place setting. The way you arrange the utensils, plate, glass can truly enhance the visual appeal. Begin by placing the charger or dinner plate at the center of each seating. On top of that, position the salad plate or soup bowl. For a sophisticated touch, lay the utensil from the outside in following the orders of the course. Complete the setup with an elegant folded napkin and a personalized place card to add a special touch for each guest. And there you have it, folks. Some fantastic idea for creating a classy and elegant dining table decor. From table linens to centerpiece, dinnerware, napkin folding, place setting, and lighting, every detail matters. Experiment, be creative, and let your personal style shine through. Your dining table will become a captivating centerpiece that enhance your meals and create unforgettable memory with your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy decorating. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor ideas. And as always, feel free to leave your comment and questions down below. Stay tuned for our next video where we will explore more ways to transform your living space into a heaven of style and sophistication. See you soon.